County Commissioner we County ya Kisii Macharia nigo agikerie gekorekyo giakorekanita borit kuregoro ase amagacho a ATC me County ya Kisii awase ekyo igati yabasaye babete bawe sokya na guturubania emiroberio iyagenderete chinsemicho askira berega kurege kurege tindi na watabunonde bwensi oraje kubwaterani wana mumachabunayo nigaraje kwimokerwa egetambukere tindi kierichiko.
As a security team in the county, I want to assure you that we are very much prepared for any eventuality. But I also want to tell you that we value the citizens, and force is the last resort. However, should we be forced to use force, we shall be able. I want to assure you that we are ready for it, but we use force commensurate to the attack.
Tinga kietyo Macharia niga beirega kwegerera abanyanyimbo na goteba bunanigo bagokora emeremu yabo obuikiranu batai kwegerera ensemo eyemo na kugania abana siasa kweneke bunango kora bare siasa cyo murembe tinga kietyo bagenderete guyakire koko ase chinsemo au.
No, the security I've reiterated that the security team is not biased. And what I would like to say at this point in time, it is suicidal to suck the security apparatus into the politics of the county. We really appeal that security apparatus be respected and not to be sucked into the political issues in the county, because we don't play politics.